Okay, so this is the final video for today, part 4 of the exhaust shootout on the NC. So I got the Yonaka exhaust all installed. I forgot to check how much it weighs, but it was more or less felt the same as the original, maybe slightly more, maybe 200 grams more, who knows. Anyways, doesn't matter. What I'm trying to show you here is what this exhaust is going to sound like. The installation obviously was a piece of cake. It's a straight bolt-on. It's a new exhaust, I believe, from Yonaka. It's supposed to have a deep bass growl, but overall quiet, bassy. So we'll see what it sounds like compared to the stock exhaust. The mounting hardware that it comes with, not great. It strips about 10 psi, since you need to do this up to at least 15, 20, maybe 30 psi. I did 25 on the bolts. You're gonna need different bolts. So I just found some spare bolts that I had that were able to handle 25 psi without stripping. And here we go. So let's hear the cold start. Definitely sounds pretty good. I'm gonna let it warm up, and then I'll do the same thing again. All right, I'm back. I would say it's warmed up now. Yeah, I hope the camera caught that, but there's a bass note to it, a bassy hum. It's not too loud, but it's definitely there. It's definitely better, an improvement over the stock. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll see how it is when I actually drive it, and maybe a video of me going by. That's it for now. Cheers.